everyone and welcome to another video. It's your girl Vibe with Veggies. Today I'm super excited because I have a whole bunch of yummy delicious food for you guys. Here I have a Meat Lovers vegan burger. Here I have some California burger. Here I have a buffalo chicken vegan patty. I have vegan ranch. I have tomato, ketchup, and honey mustard, and then these are Yukon. So these are Japanese sweet potato fries that I may have burnt just a little bit. So good. Okay. I'm going to take a bite of each. I'm just going to get right into it because I'm super excited. This doesn't really taste like meat. I'm going to dip some ranch in here. That ranch is on another level. So, I had a long day today. I had work. And then I had work. For those of you who don't know, I am a personal trainer. And I also teach Kung Fu to little kids. Also, do we like my sign? Alright, I'm gonna try this California burger. Put some honey mustard on this one. Oh, I got honey mustard on my duvet cover. Whatever. That's good. Definitely a veggie burger. But I don't think it was advertising anything else. I brought extra ranch because I know I want extra ranch. Okay. Last but not least, buffalo chicken burger. Everything's really cold because I made it and like got into talking to my roommate. So then like a lot of time passed and now everything's really cold, but it's still really, really good. These are really good. You can't even tell that they're burnt. I mean, you can visually, but not taste-wise. I didn't really have any sort of an intro. I just kind of started eating. I hope you're okay with that. This is so good. This makes me so happy. Okay. I'm gonna eat this one. This one's really good. It definitely does not taste like meat. Oh, I tried to make it look like a fast food burger, so I got the shredded lettuce instead of like actually putting real lettuce on it. And I got potato bread buns because for those of you who don't know, potato bread buns are the best for burgers and stuff. It's way superior than hamburger burgers. I think the ranch is meant for the burger. The ranch is meant for the burgers and stuff. Ketchup is meant for the fries. This is gonna sound really weird, but this burger kind of tastes like durian. For those of you who don't know, durian is like an exotic fruit that has like an armored shell, grows on a tree in like Eastern Asia, like Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia. A lot of people think that durian smells and tastes really, really bad. I did at first, to be honest with you guys. But after having it once or twice, I don't know why I had it twice if I didn't like it the first time, I started finding myself craving it. And then I tried it again and I was like, oh my god, this is amazing. These are pretty good too. I made it myself. I put so little oil. As you can tell, your girl's on a weight loss journey. Okay, eat this one again. Yeah, definitely need more ranch. So I was thinking of what to talk about with you guys. I even have a list. So I wouldn't be in this predicament. But I didn't want to talk about any of the things that were on my list. So today just might be me babbling. If you guys don't mind. It's Hanukkah for those of you who celebrate. Chag Sameach, Happy Hanukkah. Tonight is the 5th night, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5th night. This is one of my favorite ones. Maybe it's because of the ranch. This is a ranch I'm using. It's vegan. And when I started lighting candles for my Chanukiah or for my menorah, I didn't have candles. Go figure. This is my least favorite. I'm gonna eat this one first. I don't like this one. Not, you know, it's good. You know, it's good, but I don't know. It doesn't taste as fake as these. It's a good veggie burger. What can I say? So, I was on my way, walking from the train, walking from the subway to my apartment. I was like, oh my god, I don't have any candles to light my menorah. And this is the 3rd night. So, I'm walking and I'm like thinking of where should I stop at a place. Thankfully, my mom gave me a few candles, so I was like set for that night, but I really don't have any candles like for the rest of the week. Enough for the rest of the week. But then, there's this sect of Jews. They may be Chabad, it might be Chabad, which is just like an organization kind of thing in Judaism. And they were giving out free candles, menorahs, dreidel, and sufganiyot, which are the jelly donuts. I was like, lit. Because now I don't have to buy any. I just got it for free. I went up to them, and hello, I don't look Jewish, but I am. So when I approach people, when I approach my people, I always get like, does she know where she is? Does she know what's going on over here? And I was like, hey, do you guys have candles? And they're like, yeah. Trying to get the candles out. They're like, and you can't forget a dreidel. So they gave me a dreidel. And you can't forget a sufganiyah. And they gave me a sufganiyah. And then they brought out the candles. And I was like, Chag Sameach, which means happy holiday. And they were just like, I hope you didn't see that. That was embarrassing. This is one whole potato. I was going to do 2. This is more than enough. All of this minus the condiments is about 1,200 calories. Not too bad for the amount of food. 200, 200, 100. The buns are, this is like 100 something. Maybe this is 300. I don't know. I've been so afraid to buy vegan ranch because I'm like, it's not gonna taste good. This is good. I will definitely be buying that again. Although I really am trying. I am trying to lose weight. I really am, believe it or not. There's a piece of lettuce in here and I really want to get it out. I'm running out of condiments. I'm always like, yeah, this will be enough. One bite? Do we think I could do this in one bite? It's my mom's birthday today. Happy birthday, Mommy. She's 27. I'm sorry, 26. Right? And then my birthday's coming up. LOL. Immediately changes her subject to herself. On the train right here, I ate just the bun. I was so hungry. Could I try not to eat too much before these things so I can eat a lot now? I was hungry. Let me know in the comments below if you personally eat one thing fully, then the next thing fully, then the next thing fully, or do you take little bites of everything? And if so, do you like to distribute it evenly? I feel like we all have those weird eating habits. That has like the tiniest bit of kick. It might just be the onions I put in. Probably. Okay, I'm sorry about that. I had to get more honey mustard. Where was I? What was I talking about? Anything? Today I don't think I'm really talking about much. Oh, my birthday. My mom's birthday. This is so good. At my studio, where I teach Kung Fu to kids, I threw my mom a little birthday party. But since we're on, we're trying to lose weight, well, that was messy. I got us fruit and everyone else little munchkins, donuts, or pop-ums, like the Entenmann's little donuts. I'm so mean to my mom. But I let her have some donuts because it's her birthday. We went out to coffee before. That was nice. I had a good time there. She's alright. I know she's watching this, so that's why I'm saying that. She's so nice. She watches all my videos. She's like, "Do you put up another one?" I'm like, "No, Mom, that was Instagram." But I make sure she doesn't follow me on Instagram. Or she doesn't make an Instagram. That's a whole nother language I would have to teach her. I'm telling you, this stuff kind of tastes like durian. I'm not complaining. I like durian. Wow. This is so good. And then, it's my 23rd birthday. And we're having a boozy brunch. And then going to the Christmas market. Mmm. Today was very busy. I shadowed a lot of personal trainers. So I'm in the training process for personal training. So I don't have clients yet, but I will by next week, hopefully. Mmm. I told my friends that for my birthday, I would like vegan carrot cake. Write down below what's your favorite carrot cake. What's your favorite cake? I'm crazy. Mmm. Another YouTuber that I watch, his name is Nick Dampierre. He does eat full day of eating. He's like a fitness person. He does full day of eating. He does cheat days, all of that. I'm so happy that he is starting to take on a more vegan diet. During the week, he eats vegan. And then on his cheat days, he can't go without having donuts. So I don't think I'll ever be 100% vegan, but I'm not 100% vegan. You know, some days I have my... I won't eat... No. It's super rare that I'll eat meat. But you might find me eat like a dairy product or something with butter and eggs, like pastries or something. But really, 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 really most likely not. And I live in the city, so there's like an alternative for everything. So there's really no point. I know there's like 5 fries. I don't think I'm gonna eat that. I'm getting pretty full. It's all settling now. This will be good. I love this one. I think this one was my favorite. Second, California burger is good. Don't get me wrong. Just not my favorite. I think it's just because these taste very fake, you know? Like, they're more processed. I typically don't eat processed foods. Like, most of my food is pretty whole. Okay, I'm gonna one bite this one. Everything I eat is pretty like whole food, not so much processed. So that when I do these mukbangs, I don't feel so bad. One bite. Cheers, l'chaim. Mmm. I did that all wrong. Mmm. So tasty. Man, I don't know how some people eat like a bucket of chicken. I just baked this one. And I know it's cooked in oil already. But I just baked that one. And these, the California one and the Meat Lovers one. I just put it in a skillet. I didn't put any extra oil in it. Like, fried foods really, really mess up my stomach. Anyone else go through that where fried foods mess up my stomach? Animal products, forget about it. I just feel so lethargic after I eat animal products. But not so much like pastries. Like fried chicken. I loved fried chicken, but it is the death of me. Alright. Almost done. Oh my god. Maybe if I burp, it'll make more air. More space. This Meat Lovers one has also a peppery taste. A durian peppery taste. So bad news, a whole bunch of my footage just got deleted. So I still have this one last bite. What was I talking about? I don't know. I still film on my phone, and I'm trying to get a camera, and my family really wants to get me a camera, but I can't find one that's like, oh, I was saying all these nice things about my mom. Happy birthday, Mom, again. I had a really good time with her. We went to get coffee. That's what I was talking about. We went to get coffee. We got to talk. What else? Yeah. What else? Oh, we celebrated her birthday with like the Kung Fu Kids. We got her some Pop'ems donuts, and we also got some fruit because we're trying to lose weight, as you can tell. I promise I finished that Meat Lovers one. I did. It just, none of it saved to my phone. And my family really wants to get me a phone for my, a camera for my birthday, but the one that I want is like $600. Like, that's a lot. Even splitting it amongst 6 people, $100 each, like, I can't ask that. My brothers and sisters and I got my mom a Fitbit Versa. She loves it. Hi, Mommy. Last bite. I'm not finishing these. I have no desire to. This was really good. My favorite one. A little bit spicy, which I like. With the ranch, so good. In case this video signs off, I just want to say, I hope you had a good time. Oh man, I just realized you missed a really big bite that I ate. Oh man, I finished off the Meat Lovers one with a huge bite, and I did it all wrong. Maybe it was for your best interest. Last bite, then I'm going to sign off. In case you didn't already, please go ahead and like this video, as well as share it with whoever you would like. As well as please subscribe, and if you want to follow my Instagram. I didn't do a thumbnail either. I'm almost done. I don't know how people can eat a whole bucket of chicken. I also talked about that. I'm so full. And this is vegan, so it's like lighter. Not lower calorie, but lighter. I find meat is just so heavy. Can't do it. And then on top of that, I see mukbangers out here eating like a bucket of fried chicken. Fried chicken! Fried food makes my stomach really, really hurt. So I use very little oil in all of this. Like the 2 burgers here. These just tossed in the oven. I put maybe for a whole potato, maybe 1 tablespoon of oil. Maybe 2. But for this much surface area, that's very little. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you had a good time. I'm sorry that majority of the video got cut off. Really, really, really sucks. I know. I'm getting a camera. I will, I promise. But yeah, I had a really, really good time. I am super full right now. So thank you, thank you, thank you. If you have any suggestions or anything that you would like to watch me eat or want me to talk about, please let me know. Today, I kind of just rambled on and on and on. No big deal. Alright, have a great day. Make sure you eat a lot of colorful, delicious veggies. Drink a lot of water. Take a hot shower maybe. I don't know, treat yourself. Make some hot chocolate, whatever you would like. And have a wonderful, wonderful evening. And thank you. Bye!